If you deliver goods or services on schedule, but don't get paid for weeks or even months, how can you keep up with your expenses? Get the cash you need fast by financing your invoices with InterState Capital, a leader in helping companies succeed since 1993. The best part, you will speed up your cash flow without incurring any debt. Applying is fast and easy, even if you've been turned down for bank loans. Bad credit is no problem. InterState Capital reviews your customers' payment histories, not yours. Having cash on hand lets you grow your company with increased inventory, new staff, additional equipment, improved marketing, or whatever you need to take on more customers and become more profitable. Let InterState Capital move the cash that's been sitting in your accounts receivable into your pocket today. Get started at www.interstatecapital.com with a complimentary cash flow assessment right away.